फ्राइडे लाइव कैंडिड कन्वर्सेशन। सबको ईद मुबारक। इतना सच समझ के आई हूँ, यू हैव गॉट एन आइडिया। इट्स नॉट ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ द ईद सेलिब्रेशन, क्योंकि सजने संवरने का और एक रीज़न है। आज हमारे शो पे वी हैव ईद का चांद एंड दैट इज़ फाल्गुनी मैम, फाल्गुनी वसावदा ओझा फ्रॉम गुजरात. Yeah, thank you, Ali, for joining. And before I get her live audience, let me tell 3 words to describe her. That is honest, bold, and happy. These are probably the best words to describe the cheerful and confident teacher who also happens to be a TEDx speaker. Falguni ma'am is, everybody as we know, we see on Instagram, she is a brand ambassador giving strong messages for body positivity, a sari blogger, इसलिए मैं खुद आज साड़ी में आई हूँ, and strong believer of gender equality. Her Instagram family of over 50,000 plus followers is a tribute to the charming hold she has not just on her students but also on the online world. In fact, मैं बोलूँ, मैं ज़्यादा वक्त डालूंगी नहीं, क्योंकि ऐसा शायद ही इंस्टाग्राम पे कोई होगा. यस मैम, थैंक्स फॉर कमिंग देयर. या लेट मी फिनिश द सेंटेंस. ऐसा शायद ही कोई होगा जो मैम के रील्स नहीं देखता हो, मैम को फॉलो नहीं करता हो. सो लेट मी टेक हर लाइव फर्स्ट. Not only the conversation, we'll be having a lot of Q&A session, fun session, don't think and answer round. So मैम का अलग रूप भी हमको देखने मिलेगा. Oh मैम. Oh, thanks.
How are you? So beautiful.
I'm in sari, ma'am, following your reels.
Amazing. Eid Mubarak आपको.
Thank you, ma'am. आपको भी ईद मुबारक.
अक्षय तृतीया की बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं जो ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, एंड ऑल्सो हैप्पी परशुराम जयंती. आज तीन चीज. या
मैम, टू स्टार्ट करने से पहले बोलूं मैम, अभी तक I'm 43, मुझे साड़ी पहननी नहीं आती, बट मुझे आज कुछ भी करके साड़ी पहन के आपके साथ.
You don't even look 43. उसका क्या करेंगे हम?
अच्छा है ना मैम. अंदर से 26 की हूँ, अंदर से 26 की.
You look very young.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Yes, ma'am. I was giving your introduction to the audience. और ऐसा शायद ही कोई ऑडियंस में होगा जिन्होंने आपको इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो नहीं किया होगा. I was, believe me, मुझे रील डालने का इतना टेंशन आता था, but when I started following your page, ma'am, it was then I understood कि मैं भी रील डाल सकती हूँ, मुझे भी आता है. And that's how I started following you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. It's just a platform for us to express. हम कैसे करेंगे, कौन से लेवल पे करेंगे, कौन सी लैंग्वेज में करेंगे, this depends on our comfort, right? But it's just a platform to express, and we all must use it.
Absolutely. So, ma'am, coming to my show, I'll have कुछ intense questions and कुछ एकदम ही fun-filled questions. I hope you'll not mind for that.
No, of course not. You can ask anything you want.
So nice. And ma'am, I'll keep it very short क्योंकि आपने मुझे इतना valuable time दिया है. So I'll see to it कि you have fun and audience will also have fun.
Yes.
Usually we because we know your journey as a professor, as a teacher, where you teach your subject. But I want to focus more on your journey of this online platform, ma'am. वो कब पहला पल या आइडिया आई कि जब आपको लगा कि, because I understand you must be from Orkut till Instagram.
Yes. I was about to say that. Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, ma'am, I read all your stuff. ये लाइन आप ही का चुराया है मैंने.
I'll take a journey. Yeah. See, I love talking to people, and I think hence I'm in teaching. And I feel that when I talk, my thoughts do connect with people around me. And gradually, I was also becoming more and more, conscious about how much we need to voice our opinion on identity, gender equality, body positivity, and things like that. And from that, these were some of the causes which were very close to my heart, as I was also unlearning, learning, evolving, right, from my mental conditioning. And see, what happens is in a non-social media world, your thoughts will still reach, but they will reach only to a limited, physical audience that you interact with on a daily basis. Maybe your friends, family, my classroom, my group of students with whom I am connecting. But what about, you know, taking it further and farther, you know, to more number of people. And that time Orkut happened, and ever since Orkut happened, I have been in love with social media, because it absolutely gives you the power to connect with people, to network, to raise your thoughts, to express. As I said, it's a platform where anybody can publish. It doesn't require money. It requires only your content, right? And your engagement in the process. So, and most importantly, because of the kind of people you get affiliated with on social media, you also grow a lot in that process. And I think with Orkut till Instagram, I have also grown as a person. So started with Orkut, then went on to Facebook, which was like primarily only for getting reconnected with my school friends, you know, college friends, teachers, you know, getting connected with my past students. But then dhire dhire you realize, you know, oh, it's not only a networking, you know, space. You can also utilize it to take your ideas further. And that's how in my journey after Facebook, I started my blogging page called Falguni's Fashion Fundas on Facebook at the age of 40, where I wanted to use fashion as just a magnet. Okay, so fashion सुन के सब आ जाएंगे पेज पे, ये देखने की ये साड़ी, ये लिपस्टिक कौन सी है, ये ज्वेलरी कौन सी है. Then when they landed on the page, they realized that along with those pictures were these big blog post articles which were, you know, talking about extremely serious issues like, you know, does a woman get complete only because of marriage and motherhood? Or, you know, what happens to the financial independence if you are earning and you get married? You know, how you have a joint income in the family, but still how do you measure your own independence, right? Or identity of women, or, you know, how you should not be leaving everything aside and, you know, going to another city just because you're getting married. Your career is important. What are some of the things that you can do to have a good relationship in a marriage? So dhire dhire it started like that. And from there, I discovered two other platforms, which is Twitter and Instagram. And I love both, okay? Because Twitter is a very opinionated platform, and it runs like this, you know. So current your political issues, you know, your global issues, you can discuss on Twitter. And Instagram became more friendlier because it was started as a photo sharing app. Then videos came into this app feature, right? Then you could connect with audiences by this live sessions. Then and stories also in between happened. So it became much more, you know, variety, diverse kind of a tool. And that's what has stuck me here. But if you ask me that what gives me a high, you know, of posting every, the only high that I get is the number of people my messages are reaching, and it's mind-boggling. So even if I'm reaching 50,000 people today, and even from 50,000, if only 5 women change their outlook towards life, my job is done.
सही बात, सही बात.
बहुत खुशी मिलती है, यू नो. रोज डीएम में लोग ऐसे करते हैं कि पता है आज मैंने आपकी वजह से पहली बार स्लीवलेस ड्रेस पहना, या somebody, यू नो, आज मैंने पहली बार अपना प्राइवेट बैंक अकाउंट ओपन किया बिकॉज मैंने समझा कि, यू नो, प्राइवेट अकाउंट ओपन करने से आपका प्यार कम नहीं हो जा रहा है आपके पार्टनर की तरफ.
हाँ, सही बात है, सही बात है.
Somebody said that, I put my foot down, और मैंने पेरेंट्स को बताया कि जब तक मैं PhD फिनिश नहीं करूंगी मुझे शादी नहीं ही करनी है. So, you know, things like that. Or for example, people who reach out for relationship advices, issues, and somewhere I think that gives you a very happy feeling. बहुत खुशी मिलती है. So I have also grown with the growth in social media. I can say that I've grown with it because मैं वो generation हूँ जिसने Orkut को भी देखा है. So
सही बात है, सही बात. On that note, ma'am, just to continue कि इतना सब करते वक्त कुछ तो obstacles आए होंगे जहाँ पे ऐसे थोड़ा break लग गया होगा. Any such memory which you would like to share कि जो आपने cross कर ली?
Like in social media space, you're asking?
Yeah, social media. While going out on social media, while putting so much, very boldly you put everything.
So fortunately, no. कोई भी obstacles नहीं आए हैं because I work with a very evolved organization जो समझता है कि professional life and personal space are two. Also, I think why no obstacles, what worked in my favor was कि when I launched, जैसे मैंने Falguni's Fashion Fundas open किया, तब already 40, no, मैं कोई 15-year-old young teenager नहीं थी कि कुछ टेक्स्ट करूंगी या कुछ गलत पोस्ट करूंगी. So somewhere that maturity was there, and somewhere I think along with the maturity, I was very clear about my boundaries, my professional life versus personal life, my social media life, right? And somewhere I was very clear about the kind of causes that I will write on, okay, or I out, okay. And it's only after reels were introduced on Instagram that I'm also like unleashing my sense of humor, which is also a very natural part of my existence. Like my friends know me as a very, very humorous person, so like my college friend said one day कि पता है मैंने वो हमारी फ्रेंड को कॉल करके बोला कि ये फालू जो जोक्स कॉलेज में करती थी वो आजकल रील्स पे डालती है, so like natural. So I understood किसी pulse of the audience समझ में आती है ना. People love with sarcasm, humor, थोड़ा सा लाइट बना के very serious issue. जैसे for example एक रील में अभी मैंने बात किया है कि Bill Gates and Melinda Gates are separated because they feel growing in a relationship. And to grow in a relationship ऐसा कोई इंडिया में concept ही नहीं है लोगों के दिमाग में, right? So rather than ज्ञानबाजी on it, I took a humorous spin on it, right? So very true. Obstacles आए हैं. I must say that I also have a very supportive family who understands the importance of space, right? Say for example, my husband is a totally non-PDA, no social media person. He might not have even seen any of my reels, okay? But there is this whole understanding, that I like it, hence I'm doing it. And there is this whole, because I'm also a mature adult, right? I'm not a kid who needs hand-holding and to be told what to do and what to do. So I think that space is also very important and that I'm blessed with. Plus, I feel that I have always been a very extrovert, a very people person, and I love going on stage. So for me, social media is like my stage, where I go and talk to people and at least try to make some difference. But general obstacles like all of you would have faced, I also faced, like trolls, people who stalk, people who abuse you for any reason. There are bots who come and only give galis on your timeline. You don't even know whether the person is following or not. So there, I think I just got the crap. My block list is more than my followers list. So I understand. I'm tolerance policy because I'm not here to, please anybody. I'm not here because I don't owe my existence to anybody and nobody is going to come and pay my EMIs. So zero tolerance.
Absolutely. Yeah, you had made even a reel on that. जो हाय आता है, gorgeous, beautiful. उस पे भी reel थी. Yeah. Oh, it's beautiful. मुझे मेरा अगला सवाल याद नहीं रह रहा है, मैं खो जा रही हूँ सुनने में.
अरे.
मैम और पूछना था कि ये जर्नी में सम चेंजेस तो आपने कॉन्शियस लेवल पे की होंगी. ऐसी क्या चेंजेस थी जो सबकॉन्शियस लेवल पे होती गई?
I think subconscious, yeah, it's a beautiful question actually. Subconscious level पे मुझे लग रहा है I become more responsible in what, because as you grow आप कुछ भी post नहीं करोगे, right? Like एक टाइम भी जैसे ब्रेकिंग न्यूज आया मैंने पोस्ट कर दिया, कोई लिंक आई मैंने पोस्ट कर दिया. नाउ सपोज जैसे अभी पीपल आर सेंडिंग थिंग्स लाइक पैलेस्टाइन वर्सेस द इजराइल इशू, then I will not post till I have not read it completely, right? Because I even if I take a stand, तो मेरे followers के लिए, and somewhere I feel responsible for my followers also. कि 3-4 दिन अगर let us say जो setback की वजह से हम लोग 7th को आप नहीं कर पाए हम लोग live, 4-5 days, in those 4-5 days also, I did not create any new content because of course I was not in that space of that. But फिर भी मैं continuously I was posting something, stories पे I was sharing my vulnerability. I was telling people कि it's only human to take time when you agree over somebody's loss. ये सब बहुत, ये मैं क्यों आती थी? Not for my sake, just to keep it alive with my audience. So I think I have become very, very रिस्पॉन्सिबल मुझे फील आती है, जैसे वो एक घर के बड़े होते हैं और उनको लगता है ना कि ध्यान रखना है सबका, तो
So nice. Yeah, it's a different, because initially when I was on the user part of social media, अब मैं social media के इस तरफ हूँ ना, जब create करती हूँ, तो as you're telling, I'm responsible of what I'm telling, what I'm not telling. Because there are youngsters who will listen to my word and they will be modeling what I'm going to tell.
Also, I think consciously and subconsciously you learn many new things. For example, कई बार आप खुद ignorant होते हो and your follow कि आपने जो ये बोला है, this is actually not correct, ऐसे नहीं बोलना चाहिए. So then you have to go back, you have to read, you have to reflect, and you have to drop your ego. And ऐसा 2000 followers वाला मुझे कैसे बोल गया, मेरे तो 50K followers है. So just to give an example, because see, काफी youngsters हमें सुन रहे होंगे या सुनेंगे. डाली थी which was on K serials, Korean serials, okay, and actually mimicking how Koreans speak, because मेरा ये था कि मैं concentrate नहीं कर पा रही हूँ because Koreans बोल रहे हैं and I have to read subtitles because नहीं आती है, right? So I thought इसमें तो क्या मैंने गलत किया है. And then my own students, and I proudly am saying, reached out to said that, ma'am, we have always looked up to you for body positivity and this, but this is wrong, because mimicking somebody's language is also belittling them. जैसे for example, how we mimic Northeast people, or how Delhi people will mimic कि
South Indian
है, ये सब इंडरबॉन्डर, ऐसे करके आप उनके लैंग्वेज को belittle कर देते हो, right? I was shocked, and first of course I was in denial कि नहीं, इसमें मैंने क्या गलत किया है. Then I read more about it, and there are papers and papers and papers written on how you can make somebody uncomfortable by belittling them in their language. Okay, so then I went back to that student and apologized. I said I'll immediately take the reel down, and believe you me, it was reaching 1 lakh views. Okay. But I took the reel down and I apologized and I said, this is something new I have learned. If I have to make a reel, now I'll make a reel on this topic. That how you know when you are belittling somebody, the language. So yeah. So मुझे लग रहा है it's also a huge learning for everybody. मतलब कोई इंसान नहीं है सोशल मीडिया पे जो ऐसे बोलेगा कि they have not grown.
और ये इतना सारा कंटेंट डालते हुए कुछ सही कुछ गलत हो सकता है. गलत हो गया तो सॉरी बोल लो.
You are humans.
Yeah, you're humans. You're human. I have my question, and ma'am knows how to crush the obstacles by blocking the bullies. Okay, there is a comment where it has been written, ma'am knows how to crush the obstacle by blocking the bullies. Okay, ma'am, I have some fun questions for you.
Yes.
And the round is called as don't think and answer round.
Okay.
आपने फटाफट सिर्फ जवाब देना है मुझे. Okay, I take my page.
Yes.
Yeah, and meanwhile, audience, thanks for pouring so many hearts and comments. Ma'am, even if you feel like you have to pick up anybody's question, please feel free to do that anytime in between.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. So now first question for you is, if I ask you to describe yourself only in 3 words.
Teacher, motherly, happy.
और तो आपकी शक्ल से दिखता है मैम. If you could win any award, what it would be and why?
Women, I think I would win any award, then it has to be in the area of women empowerment. That I did something good in the area of women empowerment.
Absolutely, ma'am. I should be honest here, ma'am. When I got married, मेरा वजन 39 किलो था, मैम. और I had very small boobs. तो मुझे ऐसे लगता था मैं बहुत दुबली हूँ, मैं साड़ी नहीं पहनूंगी, स्लीवलेस नहीं पहनूंगी. यहाँ तक कि मैंने 40 साल मैम स्विमिंग नहीं किया. Only because स्विमिंग कॉस्ट्यूम पहनूंगी तो वो सब शेप दिखेगा. But then later, as you say, we grow.
And once time, please fulfill all your wishes.
Yeah.
And the day you own whatever you wear, you will realize that nobody is looking at your boobs, your shoulder, or biceps or your hips, your waist, because they're seeing your confidence and they're seeing
Absolutely.
your swag and your style and how much you're owning, you know, what you're wearing. So please, 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 next time I want to see you in a sleeveless sari.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely, मैम. मैंने जिद पे मैम स्विमिंग सीखा.
Don't forget
Pardon, मैम.
pictures.
I lost your word.
Okay, today don't forget to click your picture.
Absolutely, absolutely. मैम तब मैं जिद पे आ गई थी. मैंने स्विमिंग सीखा. I went and purchased a very hot costume और वो एंग्रिया क्रूज जस्ट नया नया निकला था, तो मुझे समंदर के बीच में स्विमिंग करना था.
Please.
I did that. आपके ना मैम एक दो वर्ड्स ब्रेक हो जा रहे हैं.
I'm saying only one life.
Yeah. So, okay. Okay, my next question, ma'am. 1 year ago, this is a fill in the blank which you are narrating. So, ma'am is telling 1 year ago, my favorite social media platform was Dash, but now it is Dash.
TikTok, and now it is Instagram.
Oh. अच्छा मैम आप TikTok यूज करते थे?
1 year ago, I just discovered TikTok. And then it got banned. Like in 1 month, it got banned after I went.
Oh.
Yeah. I loved TikTok for the reels. And then Instagram reels, no? So now, of course, it's Instagram.
Okay. What, according to you, was the best invention of the last 50 years?
Oh my God. It has to be internet.
Internet. Absolutely. Ma'am, which app seemed like magic the first time you used it?
Seemed like magic?
Huh.
I think apps like PixArt and all. I love Snapseed for the simplicity of editing your pictures. Very simple. Like not change your shape or anything, but lighting effect and all. Very good.
अच्छा लगता. What comes to your mind, ma'am, when you hear the word famous?
Humility.
Oh, so nice. What would you do differently if you were starting in your industry now?
Okay. Interesting. इसमें तो बहुत मैं सोचूंगी because teaching profession is such a serious occupation.
I know. Because समझो आप अभी 24 के होते हो और अभी आप एक सोशल मीडिया इन्फ्लुएंसर बन रहे होते. Then what differently you would have done?
I don't know, yaar.
That was so honest. Okay, I pass this and move on. If you could star in a movie, what movie would it be?
Has to be based on a woman finding her voice. So a movie like Astitva, for example, you know. So wherever a woman is finding her voice, okay, that movie ka theme wo hoga.
Right. What are the 3 most used apps on your phone?
Instagram, WhatsApp, and my mail app, Gmail.
Okay. And ma'am, the last one in this round is, what's your favorite quote on body positivity?
My most favorite quote is, be yourself because it's your superpower. Being you is a superpower. So never underestimate it. And when I say you, I mean your values, your identity, your likes, your dislikes, your USPs, your assets, you know, your thinking assets. So that makes you who you are. It's not only your physique. So be you. It's a superpower.
Nice. सुन के भी अच्छा लगता है ना.
Yeah.
And even for me, it took a lot of time. मतलब even to understand it. Follow तो बात की बात है. Even to understand it, it took a lot of time. Right, from marriage to baby होने से लेके. Now I understand it कि यार भाड़ में गई दुनिया, मेरे को जो अच्छा लगता है मैं कर लूँ.
Exactly. I think all of us took a lot of, went through a lot of ordeal in order to understand it fully. And there was one audience question in between कि आप पहले कैसे confident थे? कोई पैदाइशी confident नहीं होता है, right? I was a very body shy person. I was very conscious. Even though I was a ranker, I was always topping the boards and my city and my university. And, I was offered a job on day one. All that was happening. But somewhere subconsciously, I was thinking I'm fat, okay, as per society. So nobody comes with this level of confidence, and I think you only evolve to become this person when you become very comfortable with the idea of you, and when you start accepting yourself with all the differences, and when you understand that society's idea of perfect beauty is any which way flawed and it's impossible to attain. It's artificial, it is photoshopped, it is technology adapted. And that is the time when you fall in love with yourself. And the day you fall in love with yourself is the day when you will start challenging, why can't I, have red hair? Why can't I wear, these hoops? Why can't I wear this frock? Why can't I just go and do whatever I want? So that is your evolution. You धीरे-धीरे, gradually you evolve. One baby step at a time, but it's a must. And वो सब करने के बाद धीरे-धीरे your 100% confidence will shine out. So it's a process. And I think it's not only body positivity, it's also your content, your education, your financial independence, the money that you earn, the value that you bring to the table, right? The work that you do, all that contributes to your overall, confidence as a person.
और रातों रात नहीं आता है ये सब,
नहीं आता,
because especially I coach youngsters and I get questions like उनको एक सेशन चाहिए रहता है और एक सेशन में ही सारा चमत्कार हो जाता है.
There is no shortcut, sorry. Yeah.
ऐसे नहीं होता. A few more questions if you're okay.
Where, yeah,
if we can remake the bold type in India, who do you think should cast from? Bold type series.
Oh my God, the bold type is my favorite. So
it's awesome, man. It's awesome.
I will try for Jacqueline's role because I love Jacqueline's role as a leader and as somebody who is elder to these young girls, right? And I think we should have more real people in the bold type. So there can be actors like Vidya Balan, Taapsee Pannu, who can part of it. But other than that, to सोचना पड़ेगा. It's a beautiful show.
वो बाकी जेन के लिए, तीनों के लिए सोचना पड़ेगा.
Of course, कि Jane Sloan कौन बनेगा, Sutton, so beautiful.
Every character is unique. Even Jacqueline का जो assistant दिखाया है मैम,
yes,
that character was so beautiful.
Everybody's character has layers, no? So that's what.
Yeah.
मैं तो पक्का के लिए pitch करूँगी.
Award. One person has told award for winning hearts will go to you.
Oh.
Then, ma'am, the Yash has asked how to be resilient.
It's a very general question. थोड़ा context
सही बात. Otherwise, it can be one entire topic of one new line. New line. On that note, ma'am, because Mera target audience, ma'am, is obviously I coach between 18 to 25 for goal setting, personality, professional and personal development. In that zone, ma'am, especially with social media, I want some piece of advice from your side कि बच्चे आजकल social media पे आते हैं, 4 रील, 4 IGTV live और कुछ बना के exactly कुछ influencer type बनने की कोशिश करते हैं. They feel कि they have got everything. And then it's a lot behind the screens also before you go on the screen. So in that scenario, ma'am, what will you advise? Because आप consistently कर रहे हो.
No, I feel, see, the point you raised is very right. And hence, my advice would be that first, please become something. If you are law, you have to pursue it thoroughly. You have to become a lawyer. You have to become a chartered accountant, right? If you stand-up comic since your school days, then definitely pursue your career, use social media to grow, create your YouTube channel. But not everybody can make a career out of content creation. Please understand two different things. Content creation as your career which will pay your bills, मतलब आप उतना कमाओगे, and content as a hobby which is me. Okay, so my career which pays my bills is I'm a
Very
professor,
nice.
and alongside I'm doing this. Okay, so that is the advice. That degrees are very important. You may not realize it right now, but in your worst life scenarios it will be haunt you. You know कि मैंने वो मास्टर्स का लास्ट सेमेस्टर क्यों छोड़ दिया for my YouTube channel. Even if you want to become a content creator, not everybody has that skill, okay? क्योंकि हमें audience भी तो चाहिए. सब create ही करेंगे तो audience कौन बचेगा फिर? And not everybody to be a content creator. So don't run in that race. Understand your skill sets, understand your brain, and understand where your USPs are. Aptitude test jo hum karte hain, right? And based on that, go for your field. Still, if the world of social media fascinates you, use it for your field. There are so many Instagram influencers who are lawyers, who are doctors, who are journalists. They are using social media, but to push their own career in the field, right? So that is one. Second and last, I would be key. You cannot, there is no career called becoming an influencer. So please don't do that, okay? For the sake of...
Thank you, ma'am, for that.
Yeah, for the sake of our kids, you cannot become an influencer. You eventually become one. Okay? When it resonates, when you grow, when there is organic growth, when there is engagement, when there is something in you that people look up to you. Okay? And you can lead the way through your thought leadership. और वो ऐसे 15 साल में नहीं आएगी ना, मतलब at the age of 15 you cannot be commenting something which will be so full of wisdom that people would be like, you know, lying down to ear to you. तो ये सब possible नहीं है, मतलब influencer and all, you can grow eventually. Yeah.
And very nicely you said कि आप एक तरफ कमा रहे हो ना, you have your bread and butter and one एक बाजू आप ये passion बोल के use कर रहे हो.
I would say that there are people who are extremely talented in content creation, you know, as a comedian, as a singer. Then use social media as your career, creating content as your career. But वो 5 to 10% लोग हैं. 90% understand that there is a career and there is a content creation for your hobby and your life.
So, and मैम जब आप ये दोनों कर रहे होंगे तो आप उतने एक्स्ट्रा घंटे भी तो डाल रहे हो ना मैम. You are working for that many hours, then you are thinking, and then you are uploading.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not like कि आराम से हो रहा है.
Nothing comes easy. Yeah, I agree.
So, is it okay to be dependent on people? Is the question, ma'am.
Yeah. People means we all are dependent on our tribe, no? Of course, I'm emotionally dependent on my family. I'm dependent for my happiness on my niece and nephews. Of course, my husband is dependent on me for his emotional strength. Of course, we all are dependent in different ways on each other, no? I'm dependent on my father-in-law. My father-in-law is dependent on me. We live together, right? We are very, very connected. So, हम लोग एक दूसरे के ऊपर, of course, we are dependent. We are a human being who lives in a society. We are a collectivist culture. Don't forget that. Of course, it's good. But
and it is always good.
But dependence should not lead to dilution of your identity. That's it.
इतना ना डिपेंडेंट हो जाए कि वो नहीं तो मैं नहीं.
Exactly. You should have your own life. You should have your own identity. You should be sorted as far as your finances and everything is concerned. And फिर एक दूसरे के साथ हाथ मिला के ही तो हम चलते हैं ना फैमिली में. Of course we are dependent.
जैसे आज कल आपने बोला ना आज 5 बजे पर सी टू ईद की आपकी फैमिली डिस्टर्ब ना हो. आज ईद है ना मैम. I
said कि देखो ईद की छुट्टी है हस्बैंड को, so we might go on a long drive, क्योंकि आजकल कहीं बाहर तो जा नहीं रहे because of corona. So we might go on a long drive. So I told you कि चलो 5 बजे रख लेते हैं. So after 6, I have time. So of course we have to take out time for each other.
As Ali, my husband is telling कि we are a social animal.
Yes.
Because Ali and Faiza are my totally. मैं उनके बगैर मैम ये सब इमेजिन ही नहीं कर पाती हूँ. I can't imagine all this without them. And one more person.
Everybody who is joining now and wishing me Eid Mubarak. Please मेरी और सेवैया खाना, because मैं प्योर वेजिटेरियन हूँ तो मैं बिरयानी का पीस नहीं मांगूंगी, बट सेवैया
सब कुछ
शीर को prepare, no?
Yeah, shurkurma. We put sevaiya in that. I did at least 10 liters का सुबह से बन चुका है.
Oh my
God. There was no guest at my home, लेकिन हर किसी का फोन है मैम कि पार्सल डब्बा चाहिए.
काश मैं आपके शहर में रहती. आप कहाँ रहते हो?
नासिक, महाराष्ट्र.
Oh, okay. चलो जब
my two interns are from Gujarat, ma'am. One is Rajvi, who does the video editing. She is from Vapi. One is from Bhavnagar. So my two interns are from Gujarat, and they're very happy because I have you today on my guest.
Oh, nice.
On मैम और एक पर्सनल क्वेश्चन था, ये जो आपका सीरीज चलता है ना ऐसे ही ना?
हाँ ऐसे ही.
हाँ, वो कैसे सूझा आपको?
No, so like one fine day, I was just like, I do these stories on a daily basis, where I just spend कि मैंने क्या खाया, क्या किया, आज काम कैसा था, लाइट था या हेवी था, कितने क्लासेस थे, फिर मैं आज क्या करने वाली हूँ, मेरा मूड कैसा है. And then one day suddenly in that process, I said, पर पता नहीं ये सब मैं आके आप लोगों से रोज क्यों बोलती हूँ, and then I ऐसे ही, not with any purpose, and everybody loved it, so मैंने casually बोला था, without any planning, okay, and everybody in my DM is like, we love this expression, we love this essay. So then I started it, कि रोज मैं पूरा बोल के, then I'll wind it up by saying, कि कोई ऐसे नहीं है, बट ऐसे ही आई हूँ बात करने.
वो आपके स्टाइल में बहुत अलग लगता है. Like even if you go and tell it same to same, नहीं होता है मैम. When you tell in that style ना, वो इतना अलग लगता है. I rewind it and see it again and again. मगर वो you have some flavor to it.
पूछते हैं कि आप वो बोल के बताओ ना ऐसे ही. अरे कैसे बोल के बताओ? Very true मैम. There are so many factors which uniquely you carry, and you carry it very gracefully. Thank you.
आपने जब जर्नी चालू की थी मैम, had you imagined it will reach so far?
No, I'd never imagined. Never.
And from here, how you see it further, like मैम, यहाँ से आगे how you see it?
इंशाल्लाह 100 के हो जाए. अभी तो बहुत
हो ही जाएगा मैम. 100K नहीं, उससे ज्यादा हो जाएगा. इससे ज्यादा हो जाएगा.
Love creating content, and I think I must confess that जो आप काम के hours का बोल रहे थे कि आपको इतना put on करने पड़ेंगे, but I think it comes very naturally to me. Okay, so like जैसे अभी मैं तैयार हुई हूँ आपके live के लिए, and after this I get 3 ideas, तो मैं यहीं बैठ के I will shoot the 3 reels and I'll just put it ड्राफ्ट फोल्डर, क्योंकि मैं एडिट वेडिट कुछ नहीं करती हूँ. ओके, बिकॉज आई फील कि रील्स पे अगर मैं फंबल भी हुई, प्रोनाउंसिएशन गलत भी हुए, तो रियल लाइफ में मीन्स ऐसे ही बोलते हैं ना, थोड़ी ना हम शेक्सपियर एंड परफेक्ट होते हैं पूरा टाइम. सो आई डोंट एडिट एनीथिंग, और मैं जैसे आइडिया आता है, एंड इफ आई एम रेडी, I utilize that opportunity to create content like which will last me for at least a week. तो मेरे पास जैसे कल अगर मैं बहुत बिजी हूँ तो मैं एक भी कुछ भी क्रिएट नहीं करूंगी, but I have a data bank. So it comes very and see, going on camera and speaking, I'm a pro at that. So so that is also an added factor. So
that you have inbuilt in your DNA, it is.
Yeah, so I don't script. मैं कुछ भी कितनी भी कुछ बोलूं, IGTV 12 minutes का बोलो तो भी I don't have a script. ऐसे ही तो दिल में
ऐसे ही. Oh, that's so sweet. That's so sweet. हाँ, someone is telling, ma'am, your reels are reels are reels.
अरे so sweet.
तो मैम आप जैसे शूट करके रख देते हो, फिर आप अपलोड कर देते हो?
जी, इंस्टाग्राम के ही ड्राफ्ट फोल्डर में इट स्टेज, एंड भी मेरा मूड आए तो मैं अपलोड कर लेती. सो लाइक मैं दिल की ज्यादा सुनती हूँ, सो बिकॉज आई नो कि 6 PM इज द राइट टाइम टू पोस्ट बेस्ड ऑन माय ऑडियंस इनसाइट्स. तो मैंने 6 पोस्ट किया है, बट मुझे जनरली लगता है कि कोरोना की वजह से लोग बहुत दुखी है, उनको मुझे हंसा, तो मैं 10 बजे मन किया तो मैं सोने से पहले एक रील डाल दूंगी, यू नो। एल्गोरिदम वैसे भी पूरा टाइम इज ऑन पीएमएस मोड, ओके, पूरा टाइम एल्गोरिदम इज ऑन अ प्री मेंस्ट्रुअल सिंड्रोम मोड।
I swear, I agree completely for this.
सो मैं बहुत कंटेंट क्रिएट करती हूँ, एंड आई थिंक इन अ डे आई डू लाइक 3 to 4 पोस्ट एवरी डे। एक पिक्चर पोस्ट,
तो आपका ऐसा कोई कैलेंडर नहीं रहता है?
नहीं नहीं, कोई कैलेंडर नहीं, नो कैलेंडर, एवरीथिंग वेरी
Just
no. So my picture post mostly comes in the morning because I want people to start their morning with a high motivation level, थोड़ा उनको जगाना है मुझे। So my husband and my father-in-law sit in one room to read newspapers. That is the time when I put the caption, okay, or post reels तो जमा रहती। So 12 बजे, 3 बजे, 6 बजे, 9 बजे, कई बार there are 5 posts come in one day, but I minimum I post is 3 in a day.
3 in a day. Oh, that's so nice. I'm feeling like मैं कोई alien world में नहीं हूँ, because nowadays I'm addicted. Idea आया, sometimes I take shower, ma'am. Shower से बाहर आते से nowadays I kept a diary and a pen in my washroom also. Idea आता है ना मैम, आइडिया आने के बाद बना दो फटाक से।
Yes, yes. और मैं see my fashion reels, if you see, they are I'm wearing for the day to work ना। ट्रांजिशंस में 20 कपड़े उतारो पहनो, वो वाला तो इन्फ्लुएंसर मैं हूँ नहीं। सो सादी जिंदगी है, उसी में खुश हूँ मैं। सो साड़ी पहनी है, ज्वेलरी दिखा दी, तो वही तो मैंने पूरे दिन के लिए पहना है ना, मैंने तो रील्स पहना है। सो नहीं है, सो आप रेडी हो, जैसे अभी मैं आपके लिए रेडी हुई हूँ। So then I can utilize this, you know, in making 1 or 2 more reels if I want to.
और 30 सेकंड का तो बनाना है, फटाफट ले लो और डाल के रख दो।
Exactly. So it's also about utilizing, right? मतलब तो आप टाइम यूटिलाइज नहीं कर रहे हो तो, एंड यू आर राइट, लाइक कई बार आइडियाज मेरे दिमाग में बहुत आते हैं, फिर मैं दूसरे दिन भूल जाती हूँ, फिर आई एम लाइक क्या आइडिया था। तो अब मुझे लग रहा है कि एटलीस्ट इन माय फोन मुझे नोट्स में लिख देना चाहिए, यू नो, कि ये
कितनी बार मैम कार ड्राइव करते करते मैंने साइड में लगा दी है गाड़ी और आ गया आइडिया, अच्छा तो भैया अभी उसको रिकॉर्ड कर लो। कि मम्मा आप तो इतने टाइम तक निकले थे, आप पहुंचे क्यों नहीं अभी तक? सिर्फ की नहीं बेटा, 2 रील मेरी रिकॉर्ड हो गई।
बट पता है, मोस्ट ऑफ माई रील आइडियाज कम फ्रॉम लाइफ ऑब्जर्वेशंस एंड यू नो व्हाट यू एक्सपीरियंस्ड एज अ पर्सन। जैसे अभी मेरा वो गुजराती रील्स चल रहा है, एनआरआई गुजराती पे, यू नो, जो स्टेट से आते हैं थोड़े दिनों के लिए, और ऐसे एकदम फेक एक्सेंट में लोगों को इम्प्रेस करने की ट्राई करते हैं। लाइक आई वाज एट द एयरपोर्ट एंड मैं यूएस गई थी कॉन्फ्रेंस के लिए, तो मैं वापस आई थी, तो माय हस्बैंड हैड कम टू पिक मी अप एंड देयर वर सम नॉन रेसिडेंट गुज्जूस, ऐसे जो स्टेट्स में बड़े, मतलब अभी गए हैं, पहले बड़े नहीं, अभी गए हैं, एंड आफ्टर 2 years they are visiting hometown and they are coming out and they're like, કેટલું પોલ્યુશન છે અમદાવાદમાં, you know, so like there's so much of, अरे भाई तुम 20 साल यही गड़े हुए थे, you know, तुम पढ़ाया है, और अब तुम 2 साल में बोल रहे हो कि रोड कैसे क्रॉस करेंगे इतने ट्रैफिक में, तुम बोल रहे हो। so like so all this, you know, you see and somewhere it's there in your mind, तो आप धीरे धीरे, you know, you start making content on it.
That's how passion होता होगा ना मैम, वो इतना सबकॉन्शियस में है कि वो ऑब्जर्व कर लेता है कंटेंट।
सच में, because there's an outlet, right? अभी तक रील्स पे, इंस्टाग्राम पे, अब तो आउटलेट आपके पास। Definitely it's become a passion. I agree to that.
I hope you're not minding me. I'm having absolutely no scripted interview with you.
No.
मेरे पास ऐसे कोई कोचिंग नहीं है।
So there is a question which we can take from Sanskriti, because she's saying anything for budding content creator. See, my tips, consistency of content is very important. तो आप एक पोस्ट करोगे फिर 6 दिन के बाद पोस्ट करोगे तो ये स्नेल मेल नहीं है, ये पोस्टमैन वाला धंधा नहीं चलेगा यहाँ पे. यू टू पोस्ट कंसिस्टेंटली, भले आप डेली ना करो बट एटलीस्ट ऑल्टरनेट डेज. ओके, सो वन इज कंटेंट कंसिस्टेंसी. Second is more than content, what I feel is important is conversations. आप लोगों के साथ कितना एंगेज करते हो, उतने कमेंट्स को कितना एक्नॉलेज करते हो, डीएम में जो मैसेजेस आते हैं उसको एक्नॉलेज करो, उसको रिप्लाई करो, बिकॉज कन्वर्सेशंस आल्सो आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. दिस इज अ लाइव प्लेटफॉर्म. वरना तो लोगों को लगेगा आपको ऐसे आइवरी टावर पे हो और लोग आपका कंटेंट कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं, आपको पड़ी नहीं है, कुछ भी कमेंट कर रहे हैं, नहीं कर रहे हैं, क्या बोल रहे हैं, आपके बारे में इतना अच्छा बोल रहे हैं, फिर भी आप एक उसकी कमेंट को लाइक भी नहीं कर रहे हो. So content consistency, conversations is the king here, not content, right? And most importantly, you need to find out your genuine uniqueness and stick to it. Because people love genuineness. People do not like people who will come and fake here. Okay, fake जो आप करते हो वो लोगों को पता चल जाएगा. So I think these are like बहुत सारी और tips है. But these are the like top 3, which are on my. Use hashtags wisely. Current जो कुछ trending है उसके ऊपर content बनाओ, because already people are noticing that currently what is trending on Instagram or generally in the world, right? So try matching it with your content strategy. But content consistency and conversation very important.
And I should tell audience, जो मैम बता रहे वो फॉलो करे, because I had kept a plain DM message कि मैम will you come on my show, and you responded, and then we had a conversation. फिर मैम ने बोला कि this month is busy, May के बाद करते हैं. Again you responded.
Even no, you have to respond. That's my point. Like, or you would not have felt bad अगर मैंने पूरा मना ही कर दिया होता, but you would have felt इन्होंने जवाब तो दिया, because your time is important. You have taken time out to write to me, so I should respect that.
छोटा gesture रहता है, but मुझे याद रह गया ना कि
Yes.
मैम ने बोला है, तो I'll talk to her later.
Yes.
And I'm having you. Even like उस दिन भी there was the episode happened. आपने message रखा मुझे, and आपके
you remember I was crying while I was.
Yeah, मैंने 4 बार सुना मैम.
I was
I
like,
was getting goosebumps.
I was like, it's 7:45 and 8 o'clock तो ये live है, So I said first, let me do everything else. मतलब हम condolence messages ये सब लिख रहे थे. मैंने कहा ये सब बाद में करती हूँ, पहले I should inform you कि ये नहीं होगा आज. So इतना थोड़ा तो like एक दूसरे को, we have to respect each other's time and space.
Before I say bye to you, ma'am, I'll take 1 or 2 more questions. Someone is asking, ma'am, do you like singing?
No, I don't like singing, but I generally, when I'm happy, I sing also. But मेरा कोई ऐसा voice कोई ऐसा कोई bathroom singer type भी नहीं है, so don't. So I don't like singing, क्योंकि मेरे से बहुत ज़्यादा गाना गाया नहीं जाता है.
Okay, ma'am. मेरे तरफ से तो कोई सवाल नहीं है, ma'am. Please, you want to, माने मेरी audience छोटी audience है, but they're very dedicated. All are like religiously following. Sessions अच्छे होते हैं. I take 1-to-1 sessions where I coach people for goal setting, career setting, and relationship.
Very nice.
So anything concerned to that you want to tell before we say bye, ma'am?
So I think to all the young people, I would say that there is no shortcut to success, because the people you are seeing as your role models have reached there after a lot of journey. Okay, तो आप अभी देख रहे हो एक नारायण मूर्ति या सुंदर पिचाई, you want to be somebody like an Anand in chess, or you want to be somebody like Sachin Tendulkar, but वो सब लोग बहुत जर्नी के बाद वहां पहुंचे. So look at the journey more than the destination where they are in. And I think youngsters need to understand the power of failures also. Because हम लोग as a culture success ही celebrate करते हैं, but look at their failures, look at their mistakes that they made, their milestones. कहीं से वो लोग वापस आ गए थे, then they again went back. So understand and learn more from their journey rather than from where they are right now, because there's no shortcut to success.
किसी का 20वां चैप्टर रहेगा और आपका 0 वाला चैप्टर है, आप वो कंपेयर कर रहे हो.
Exactly.
मोस्ट ऑफ माई ऑडियंस है 20 से 24 मैम, और एक ही सवाल रहता है कि हम जो कर रहे हैं करियर वो हमको पसंद नहीं, फिर हमने बदलना चाहिए, मेरा पैशन कुछ अलग है, बट ब्रेड एंड बटर कहीं से और से आ रहा है, देन दे गेट कंफ्यूज एंड दैट्स वेयर दे यूजुअली आस्क कि हाउ
Yeah.
टू कीप दैट बैलेंस, की ब्रेड एंड बटर कहीं से आ रहा है लेकिन पसंद मुझे कुछ और है, वो उम्र मेरी 20-22 है।
Yeah, so I think they should, as I was telling you earlier, ब्रेड एंड बटर वाला कंटेंट, मतलब ब्रेड एंड बटर वाला पाथ परस्यू करते रहो साइड में, डोंट लीव योर पैशन आल्सो, बिकॉज
ये भी करो।
आप खुद नहीं रहोगे, यू नो, योर समवेयर योर हार्ट विल डाई, सो वी डोंट वांट, एंड रीच टू अ स्टेज वेयर स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ इनकम आ जाए, वेयर इनफ सेविंग्स हो जाए, देन यू कैन टेक द लीप ऑफ फेथ, थोड़ा रिस्क भी ले सकते हो, सो देन यू स्टार्ट pursuing your passion a little more than only 1 hour a day, you know, so धीरे धीरे आप इसमें से भी ब्रेड एंड बटर निकाल पाओगे, बट आफ्टर डूइंग 10 to 15 years of that bread and butter thing,
फिर इधर शिफ्ट हो जाए,
रिस्क, या
जंप नहीं मारना है, एकदम से जंप नहीं मारना है। एब्सोल्युटली, स्किल कैन बी डेवलप्ड और फाइनेंशियल इंडिपेंडेंसी कैन बी डन, तो पेरेंट्स का भी कुछ झमेला नहीं रहेगा, कोई कुछ आपको बोलेगा नहीं, एंड विल बी हैप्पी, विल बी हैप्पी।
नहीं, और पेरेंट्स का सी फाइनेंशियल इंडिपेंडेंस इज अ बिग थिंग, नो, मतलब स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ इनकम, कमाना है, और आप जो भी बोलते रहते हो उसमें भी आपने क्या होमवर्क किया है, व्हाट इज द माइलस्टोन, आप कैसे ग्रो करोगे, आप कैसे यू नो आगे बढ़ोगे, यू नो हाउ विल यू, व्हाट इज द 5-year प्लान दैट यू सेट फॉर योरसेल्फ, ये जवाब नहीं होगा किसी के पास, सो ऐसे करियर भी
ऐसे नहीं चलना, ऐसे नहीं चलना। सो मैम, बिफोर आई से बाय टू यू, जो मुझे बोलना नहीं है, एनीथिंग इन योर स्टाइल, मैम ऐसे ही वाले स्टाइल में कुछ पेश करना, और देन वी विल से बाय।
So see, today I came and I shared so many things with you, okay, and with your followers. मैंने बहुत बातें बताई, इवन पर्सनल लाइफ की भी काफी सारी बातें बताई, हाँ, और पता नहीं ये सब मैं यहाँ लाइव में आके, वो भी तुम्हारे लाइव में आके, ये सब क्यों बोलती रहती हूँ ऐसे ही। I want more people to be happy.
सो ऐसे तो मतलब ये क्विक था। गॉड ब्लेस यू मैम, आप ऐसे ही खुश रहो, लाइक यू बी द वे यू आर, यू आर यस मैम, यू आर एन इंस्पिरेशन। रील बनाने की पूरी क्रेडिट मैं जो भी बना पा रही हूँ, इट गोज टू यू। आई वॉच योर रील, आप वैसे बाल करते हो, फिर साड़ी ऐसे करते हो, ये सब तो करना मतलब कितना अच्छा है। मुझे जब अच्छा लग रहा है तो आपको करते वक्त तो कितना अच्छा लगता होगा।
Yes. Thank you.
So on that note, from audience, from my side, big thank you to ma'am.
Pleasure.
और ईद मुबारक, ईद मुबारक।
अल्लाह सबको ब्लेस करे, and may Allah give peace back to the world.
थैंक यू। हाँ, दुनिया सच्ची में सेफ हो जाए, वापस पहले जैसा सब हो जाए।
Yes, yes.
I want to meet my interns in person, ma'am.
May I soon come to Nasik, and or you come to Ahmedabad.
Absolutely.
And we meet.
और मेरे हाथ का शुरकुरमा पियेंगे मैम। Thanks a lot, ma'am. Thanks a lot, Pap.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.